Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Stem cell therapy is a promising tool in regenerative medicine, but few scientists have been successful when it comes to repairing the heart after a heart attack. In a new paper published in Nature, a team of researchers report a new way to approach stem cell therapy in cardiovascular medicine. Hello, I'm Candice Tang, life sciences journalist and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Optimizing GWAS Results Using an Interactive Machine Learning Approach. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. In a previous study, the scientists learned that injecting stem cells straight into the injured heart does not lead to improved heart function. Instead, the team chose to enhance the immune response, which normally kicks in after a heart attack, but is insufficient to repair the heart completely. Using a mixture of stem cells and chemical compounds, the team was able to boost the immune response, which led to improved cardiac healing. These findings not only highlight the important role of the immune system in the healing process, but have implications for the future design of stem cell therapies. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode. Optimizing GWAS Results Using an Interactive Machine Learning Approach. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.